Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to make jeans shorter. It's almost impossible to find a pair of jeans of needed length. Have a look at the pair of jeans we're going to cut. First, we need to decide on the length. Natalie will show you what to do. We prefer fast and easy ways of working. Nice. Don't make them too short. Remember that jeans usually shrink after being washed. Have a look at the length of the jeans. If we make them longer, there will be a big fold on the front, right here. It doesn't look good. Pin a pair of jeans in such way that pant legs fit you perfectly. Now our customer will take the jeans off and we will continue working. Natalie will mark the overcast line now. Now we know how much we need to overcast. Moreover, we'll show you how to overcast jeans in such way that we will keep the original hem. We need to make the jeans 10 cm shorter. The first line marks how shorter should the jeans be. Now we need to draw one more line 1.3 cm higher. This edge at the bottom is 1.3 cm wide. The second line is 11.3 cm away from the bottom. We'll show you what to do next and how to keep this hem. Down from this line, measure the seam allowance, 1 cm. Next, we add 1 cm seam allowance to this edge too. Have a look here. This pair of jeans was bought in an official Levi's shop. Let me show you something. Can you see that the length of the two legs is different? Have a close look at them. Always check what you're doing. People prefer to believe brands better than tailors. If the legs of the jeans are even, it's better to fold them and cut together. We can't do it. Natalie will show you what to do next. Even though the legs of the jeans are not even, we can cut the bottom edges without hesitation. When we move on to cutting these details, we'll check everything. If you measure the legs of your jeans, they most probably will be not even. Anyway, I was surprised to see such difference in the expensive jeans bought in an official store. I know that most of tailors just cut the even pieces. It's not correct. I'll put this detail aside. They are even, and we still need them. Natalie will show you what to do next. I hold this part in order not to pin it. When the jeans are ready, they will be even. We need to remove the original stitching to continue working. We'll stitch the edge again with a similar thread. It's not that easy to remove stitching from some items. Have a look at the cut details. You can see that one is longer than the other. Anyway, the important thing is that the legs are even now. Let's go to an ironing desk. We are ironing the details, which will be attached to the bottom of the jeans. Next, we need to attach these details to the jeans legs face to face, making sure that the side seams match. Natalie will pin and tack the details now. You may think that it's very easy to cut jeans down, but actually it's not. You need to know some special techniques. Natalie is tacking the details to the jeans legs. The width of the seam is 1 cm. Do not forget that we've added 1 cm for the seams to the both details. Notice that both of the side seams match perfectly. Now we can stitch the details. Of course, to stitch jeans you should use a stronger needle than the one you use for chiffon, silk, and so on. A thread should also be very strong. The length of the stitch should be 2.53 millimeters. Have a look here. Notice that the side seams match. We can remove the tacking now. It's not that easy to make jeans shorter. Sometimes people say that it's too expensive for them to come to our fashion house to do it. Okay, do it yourselves. I'm showing you how to do it. Do not forget to cut angles of the seams after stitching. It's very important to cut all the angles of the seams after stitching. Now we can cut this edge a bit, getting rid of all these threads. We're making the seam a couple of millimeters smaller. Now we need to press the seam close towards the overcast. Have a look here. It's better to cut these seams in order to make the further work easier. Now we need to overcast and iron the bottom in such way that it looks the way it used to be. You can see how the original detail looked like. Press it as hard as you can. Let's cut these threads. They irritate me. Have a close look at the way Natalie presses the seam. She hides the edge inside. We'll show you everything when I finish ironing. Now we can start stitching. A thread should be very strong. It's not as easy as it seems. To do something accurately and beautifully, you need to know some special techniques. Remember that practice makes perfect. This is how the jeans look from the wrong side and from the right sides. Everything is perfect. We'll stitch the second leg off the camera. Most of the techniques we show you, we create ourselves. When you see constantly, you look for the ways to make your job easier or more convenient. Sometimes we come up with very useful and interesting ideas. Now you know how to make jean shorter in such way that they don't look that they've been cut. The edges are very strong, so they won't break easily. Today we've showed you how to make jeans shorter, saving the original hem. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Irina and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.